Another magical morning, everyone. And yes, this is your friendly host magician again, Angelo Wiseman. And today we are heading to Ilo-ilo City for our show. We invited a client named Karil de los Santos. And as you can see, pasulod na kita subong sa barko. Tamang uyod lang ang inyong likod. And finally, we are already inside the vessel. Ay, barko na lang. Smile lang person, man. And we finally arrived at Ilo-ilo City proper. We take a taxi going to terminal of Guimbal since ang atong show is out of town pa sa Ilo-ilo. Kag kabalo-bala ka mo nga ang ini nga client no book me for how many times, but unfortunately hindi ko makater since may nakabook na sa akon 6 times, guys. From 1-year-old pa si baby Marcos, and then subong 7 years old na siya, and finally, and I'm also thankful na mag-perform sa iyang birthday party. Kag as you can see, nakaabot na gid man ta sa aton nga party venue here at Tokayan Restaurant and Event Place diri sa Guimbal, Ilo-ilo. And as I move inside the main hall, as you can see, the place is really wide and dami gid siya no ng sa mga